So we got on the highest mountain in the area here where people like to see the volcano. This is definitely the best viewing point. It's somewhat similar to Little Cruiser back 2023 and the smaller one, but kind of the same feeling. So we are back to Little Cruiser times from 2023. Let's zoom in, see the crater from here. Yeah, there are two distinct winds, as you see. There's no question about that. And one is higher and one is lower. Alternating winds. That one to the left is shooting ash jets sometimes. You see, it's shooting vertical jets, and the smaller wind is just boiling lava. That's what I see. It got clear skies finally. We had so bad rain for a long time. Really bad. So that all people escape it because of the rain. No, well, most of people stay there. They don't make to this hill. They stay there. You see, on the slopes of this hill, and some even. This is the hiking trail that you walk around the mountain. There's another hill here. Yeah, there are two hills in this area. Yeah, one here and one here, like mounds where people see the volcano. But yeah, those two mounds, one here and one here. But it's better to come here, definitely. The best views are from here, and if you can come all the way here where we are, and this is absolutely the best viewing spot. Finally, it stopped to rain, and I even see the sun came. So we had here tornadoes. Conditions very bad, like black tornadoes going in the air. Now you have nice weather. This is what I see. Lava on the edges of the wall. Slopes. The animal power, like it's flowing somewhere, but God knows where. Yeah, there is hot lava next to the crater here. See, there's a river in front. This is hot lava. Kind of romantic spot to see the volcano. You see hot lava here now. This is hot lava. Look. It's just right close to where the people are. So it's expanding, you see, on the top. That's hot lava. But it's not safe to walk there. This doesn't make any sense. Close. Active vegetation. This is how Iceland looks today. Here's another road. Take you here. See it? Yes, this is the crater from September last year. September, and that is a November crater. We had the eruption in November, and if I'm not mistaken, I got confused already. No, that is from July, I think. I'm confused, but this is from December, November, I think so, yeah. This is November, December crater. And current crater is almost the same like last September, I guess. You see the eruption sign on this mount. The best.